We are happy to have with us today Dr. Mimi Lee of Vein and Aesthetic Care and Dr. Jean Sloan of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. They've got a big event coming up today, but welcome to both of you. Good to have you. Let's kind of remind everybody about your background with your practice.
Thank you for having us here today, Melinda. And I am a board certified general surgeon, and I've been in practice in Little Rock for about 15 years, and I specialize in vein and aesthetic treatment. I was the first physician in 2001 to do the closure varicose vein treatment, which basically replaced vein stripping surgery. And Dr. Sloan is my husband. He's a board certified plastic surgeon, and he's been in practice for 22 years.
Ah, wonderful. I think you've been with us several times. Is this your first time with us?
My first time.
It's good to have you here. Let's talk a little bit about the practice and how does a med spa different from a day spa?
Well, a day spa traditionally offers services such as massage, facial, pedicures, manicures.
Sure.
A medical spa, provides treatments such as Botox, dermal fillers, laser hair removal, photofacials. And these are treatments that really should be monitored and evaluated by a physician.
But then there's also a doctor's med spa, and that's what you guys have. So what makes that even better than a regular, say, spa?
Well, one thing Dr. Lee and I have been able to do is combine our areas of expertise so we can offer more services under one roof. And one of our focus is on treatments that provide reliable and predictable outcomes, because we want our patients' expectations to be met. Now, part of that is making sure our patients have realistic expectations. So we monitor and evaluate every treatment. When you're having the treatments at our office, there's almost always going to be a physician on site. And in the rare event that you do have a problem with the treatment, we're available.
Right, and you should always look for professionals such as yourself when you're considering some of these treatments. Let's go into a lot of the treatments and services that you provide, because there are a lot of them.
Right.
Yeah, and I think we've got some pictures to go along with some of these.
Right. The treatment that I do is Botox and Dysport. They help to relax some of the upper face expression lines that causes these unattractive wrinkles.
Right.
And they're quick and easy and takes about 10 minutes. I also do dermal filler, which is a great treatment to lift and smooth away wrinkles in the mid face and lower face.
Right.
And and can take away some of those sagging corner in the mouth, and even plump up the lips to make it more attractive.
Right.
And then of course many of you know that I do vein treatment, and for spider veins I do a treatment called a sclera injection or micro injection. It's literally painless because it's not like the traditional saline that burns a lot.
Right.
And in fact, I've done this for so long that some patients couldn't even feel that what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And Dr. Sloan can tell you a little bit about other services.
Yeah, we have several devices in our practice, and one of them is laser hair removal. Now, it's been around for about 20 years. The first devices were slow and they were very uncomfortable.
Right.
The technology with the new devices makes them much less painful, and what they do is they remove unwanted hair in certain areas of the body. And what it does is you're not going to be hair-free for the rest of your life, but you have to deal with it less often. So if a woman can shave her underarms every 2 to 4 weeks instead of every day, that's a reasonable expectation. The other things that we offer is photofacial treatments, and this treats sun damage. So if there's red or brown discoloration, that's what this treatment is for.
Right.
And then another treatment that we have is vanquish fat reduction. And the fat reduction, what we call the non-invasive fat reduction devices, are newer devices. And with this technology, you heat up fat to remove the fat. Now, it removes a thin layer of fat, so this is a key type of treatment where you have to make sure the patient has the right expectation of what they can get.
This isn't going to make you skinny like a supermodel all of a sudden.
No.
Right. And then all of these, I mean, these are not surgical. Usually you're right back out to your normal day, right?
That's correct, yeah.
Which is very little downtime.
Yeah, little to no downtime with all these procedures.
Awesome. Okay, now that we've introduced you a little bit to all the services, you have an open house today. How's that going to work?
Well, we open houses from 9 to 6:30. 30, and we want to invite everybody to come out and come talk to us. We want to find out how we can help you to look and feel your best.
Right.
And we do have hourly door prices, and for today only, we have some amazing offers. And so don't miss out a chance to come out and talk to us and help make us help you to realize your goals.
Just to kind of help you make some decisions. And will you actually do some services today?
I would,
Okay.
and and I think it will be a good way to see, how it's actually done painlessly and how quickly,
Right.
There's no recovery.
There's the information on Cantrell Road. If you need to talk to them anymore before you go by, you could go by the website or also give them a call at 224-0880. Well, have fun with today's open house. You're going to be busy. And thanks for bringing your husband this time. Good to have you, Dr.
Thank
Sloan.
you. Good to be here.
Good luck today. I'm sure you'll have a big crowd.